Morning, guys. Kaya natin si Ayara. Ang kanyang food today is kalabasa. Yummers, guys. Come on, baby! Kain-kain na ikaw! Wow! Yum naman. Malapit mo naman, babe. Wow! Gusto na naman. Ang kalabasa ng baby. Yummy. Ba't ka nakayuko? Meron bigay sa amin na laruan, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Cute. Patry namin kay baby. Tingnan natin kung makaya natin. Ay, kung alam natin baby.
Tatlong weather systems sa Palawan at Barm, lalong-lalo na sa Basilan, Sulu at Tawi-Tawi. Nagpapaulan din ngayong araw. Saman, ang nagpaulan sa natitirang bahagi ng bansa. Sa weather, posibleng light to intense rains bukas sa ilang coastal area sa Albay at Sorsogon.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Hello? Makakamove talaga siya, guys. Do. Hello, ka-happy. Sus! Breakfast tayo, guys. Meron kaming naka-breakfast na naman kami ngayon. Minsan lang namin ito ginagawa. Ayan. Meron kaming scrambled egg and chorizo. Ah, okay.
Honolulu is the capital of Hawaii.
Okay na ako nito.
350,000 people. But the entire island of Oahu has over 1
At least may tambayan na si baby bago.
Let's be real. The lifestyle here is like nowhere else.
Kain tayo, guys.
A perfect 80
Bebe, wakti boy na ha?
Sida. The beaches.
Ay, ano pala, babe?
From Waikiki Beach
Yeah.
to the surfing paradise of North Shore. But before you start packing your bags, let's talk numbers. Hawaii is good. Hawaii has one of the longest life expectancies in the U.S. at 82 years. Why? Probably because stress levels the air is cleaner, and people actually enjoy it. Honolulu's unemployment rate is low at 2.8%, and there are plenty of jobs in tourism, hospitality, healthcare, and the military. When we talk about culture, Honolulu is a melting pot of Japanese, Filipino, and Polynesian influences. You'll find some of the best poke bowls, spam musubi, and shaved ice you'll ever taste. Plus, the local Aloha spirit is real.
Aloha
People
adobo.
here are friendly, laid back, and value family and community. Outdoor lovers, you're in for a dream life. You can surf at Waikiki Beach.
Afternoon, na ako na guys. Naluto na ako ng aming dinner. 3:47 na. Ngayon pa lang ako nakababa kasi si Aya matagal na tulog. Kaya yun. Basan na natin ito Aya. Ngayon pa lang din ako makakahugas ng kanyang mga ginamit kanina. Umaga. Pagkain. Ang luluto ko ngayon na dinner is tinolang manok. Gusto ko mag-tinola. Ano magsarap magtitok ng sabaw. Ang hugas yun. Dito po. Dami niyang puksi kanina. Sa kinain niya nakalabasa. Nailabas niya agad lahat. Which is good. Buti na lang pala. Meron pa akong nabiling sayote. Masarap sana to pag ano. Papaya ba na hilaw guys, nung lami yung tani ba so ganyan natin sana po papaya na hilaw perfect. Nag-iisip na naman si Melly saan na naman daw kami pupunta sa off niya. Grabe talaga guys. Hindi na napirmi sa bahay. Gusto niya kasing igala talaga kami ba. Kasi alam niya pag may pasok siya, hindi kami makapagala. Kami lang niyayara dito sa bahay. Kawawa naman kami daw. Hindi gusto niya din kasi gumagala guys. Hindi niya napipirmi talaga guys. Ayan. Alas 4 na. Tama-tama maluluto to. Alas 6. Ako sa aming garden kung meron pa tayong lemongrass. Kung buhay pa ba siya. Kahit konti lang. Masarap to pag meron nun eh. Lagyan ko na siya ng bigyan natin ng garlic. Igisa natin siya sa bawang, sibuyas, at ginger. Sana meron pa talaga akong lemongrass ko. Let us cook. Masarap ko siya may ano. Ay. Dami kong lilinisin ngayon.
Because I'm always feeling like girls. I'm not going to things like this. Do you know what this much cost? Huh? Or how much I work to make this much? Almost enough. Hello there. Everything she reaped and sowed was taken away back then.
Maybe that girl was not even alive at the time. Similar looks. If you were connected with that line, this can't be. Kurt Carlby was killed in front of my daughter. Why you were such a terrible? Be good to each other. Just be good. Parents hurt you in goodness.
You don't go.
So, are we together?
No. Just stay still.
Please, I might be good with this. 797 days.
Yun naman guys, so kinuha ni Melvin na lemongrass. Yan, ito na lang daw natira. So, pwede na to. Wala pa talagang yung dulo niya. Sige na lang, okay na lang. Ano ba siya eh? Init. Basta may lang siya, may pabango lang konti. May na ito. Masarap na yung niya. Wala kami malunggay. Kaya ito na lang, spinach. Pwede dyan yan. Matunog yung cellphone mo, babe. Nagutom ako guys. Kumakain ako nito. Itong cream cheese na Kite Hill. Ayan. Almond siya. And then biscuit. Pinapanood ko yung Tangerine. Netflix. Yung kay Ayu. Live. Basta guys, yun na yun. Ayan tayo.
Stop selling in the street. Listen, I want to stop food like you, but how can I? Go, yeah.
Sarap pala siyang
But I
pita.
treated the one I owed my whole life to as harshly as if I was writing on scrap paper. Oh, what now?
Hi! Hello! Uy! Kasexy mananang baby ko na yan ba?
Jay!
Sus. Spring na ba, baby? Sus. Vertigid, oh. Ah. Hi! Sus. Mag-dinner na kami, guys. 6:03 na. Ayan na ang ating sinungang manok. Ayan, yummers. Kain tayo, guys. Mga on. Asa naman si Melby, oy? Kain tayo, guys. Masarap ito. Pampagatas. Gusto mo ito, baby? Maanghang. Nalagyan ko kasi ng ceiling green. Ano? Ikaw? Katingin lang guys. Once a day lang muna siya pinapakain. Kasi baby pa ikaw. No? Jesus. Wait. Diyan ka muna kain lang muna daddy mami. Okay? Jesus. Ilang minutes na yan baby. Ay! Pulbaan ko sa mo baby. As in practice sitting. Practice sitting position ng baby. Oh sus. Hala, sige, mommy, I can do this. I can do this, mommy. Ang kamot. Ayan. Yan, ayos. Asus. Itong bamanta. Ang sama na. Para maghubog. Yay! 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 Nagiyahay ka din. Asus. Yay! 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 Oh, sus. Yay! Sino yan? Say hi na ikaw. Hi guys! Gabi na. Kami na naman dalawa ni Mami. Oh, sus. Oh, ano yan? Gapang. Pagkaon, baby. It's not a food, baby. Yan pagkain. Yan. Asus.
Hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun with you. Hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun with you. Hello, baby. Let's sing together.
Ay, kulang battery si Elephant.
Hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun
Asus.
with you.
Hala. Asus.
Hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun with you. Where'd you go? Hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun with you. Where'd you go?
No. Elephant ba yan? Usus! Kunin mo yung elephant.